This is directions on how to complete your word problems coloring page. You should have a packet, 2 pages that has questions. Then you should have a picture that looks like this. The other page should have different questions, and then another picture that looks like this. Your pictures might be in different orders. You might have the troll one first or the cat one first. Doesn't matter as long as you have all of them. Okay, so the way you solve it is you will solve each problem. So like this one, for example, says Marcus needs 2/5 kilograms of butter to bake a cake. How many such cakes can he bake with 4 kilograms of butter? So first thing right off the bat, if you don't have an extra piece of paper to do your work on, stop what you're doing, pause this video, and go get an extra piece of paper right now. Because if you turn in your coloring pictures and you do not have the work with it, you will do it again. So to save yourself time and all the trouble of doing it again, go get an extra piece of paper. Okay, I'm going to use this space right here to do this problem in as my extra space. But since you guys will be doing all of the problems, you need a whole piece of paper to do it on. Okay, so here we go. So he has 4 kilograms of butter, and he's dividing that into 2/5 pieces. Okay, I know that whenever I have a whole number like this, that means that there is an invisible one underneath it. Okay, now I can do keep, change, flip. So I'm going to keep the first fraction, change it to multiplication, and flip the second one. Now I can multiply across, so 4 times 5 is 20, 1 times 2 is 2. So now I have 20 over 2. If I divide that out, 2 goes into 2 1 time. Bring down the 0. 0 goes into 2 0 times. So I get 10 for my answer. So he can make 10 cakes with all the butter he has. So now, a way I can check my answer, I'll write a 10 here, is I'm going to look over here to see, is there a 10? And there is. I see a 10 right here under green. So that means all of the number ones on whatever picture you're coloring, I'm going to shade in green. So let's say you're doing this picture. All of the number ones, so like here's number 1, or I would shade all of them in green because it's question 1 and I got 10 for my answer and 10 is connected to green. Okay, and yours might be the troll picture. It doesn't matter which one it is as long as you're coloring it in the right colors. Okay? If you have any questions, remember, try to ask the people in your group before asking your teacher.